Hey, it's LSFT here today, and today I'm here to talk about my experience getting custom side puddle lights for my 2022 Lexus NX450h Plus. Many people would like to add some accessories for their vehicle, and particularly for the NX, the first thing I did was I changed that single LED light on the trunk. It was quite useless in the dark situations. So first things first, I've done a few product reviews and those were shipped to me by the vendor, but this product that I'm talking about is actually not shipped to me at no cost. I've actually paid for it and there's no affiliation with that vendor as well. I'm just a normal customer purchasing this product from the company and paid full price to get the side puddle lights. So there's no affiliation links, there's nothing on here. Alright, let's do the unboxing. So first thing is, it comes in a package like this. And inside the package, they actually do have a small screwdriver that comes with it. And also the package. Alright, so let me throw it out. Alright. So you can see here now we have this shadow light. Open special is different door light upgrade parts. So here it says 3D shadow. And it does say LCD, new energy, energy saving and environmental protection, and low consumption lighting. Dedicated car, easy install, no need to change the vehicle. That's weird. 3D laser, a strong visual sense, more dynamic and more stylish. Made in China. Alright, so let's see. Let me open this up and see what's inside. Alright, so it looks like it's packed with a bag. So this is like a Ziploc type of electronic bag. Let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. Alright. Alright, so in here we have the two parts. There's no other packaging. You can see that we do have the light itself. And this is where we have the lens where it could be adjusted left and right. Alright, and then we have the two sockets. So hopefully you can see. So there's two different types of sockets that you can put in. And really that's all there is. Alright, so this is where we actually put it into the car, the door, and we have the projections. So let's go and look at this last one. I think it's the same type. So it is sort of a plastic type of cover. Same thing. Moves left and right. And really that's it. So the same thing, we have the two different covers. And there we have it. Alright, so let's go to the car and try and install one of them and see what does it look like. Follow me on Instagram at LSFTvideos. You can see updates on my experience with the NX450h Plus, which may not be shown on any future videos. You can reach out to me via direct messaging if you have any questions on your Lexus. If you like this video, you can provide me feedback in the comments below, like this video, share it with your friends. This definitely will help with the YouTube algorithms. Press the subscribe button and bell icon and get notified when new videos show up. And lastly, if you want to support me further, you can provide me a super thanks, or visit my Amazon storefront before you purchase anything from Amazon, and or you can purchase products from the list on the items that I've been using with my vehicle or at home at no extra cost to you. And now let's continue with the video. Alright, so I'm at the car right now. You can see the light is on. Again, this piece is the most critical thing that you need. So you need this to pry open what you have currently in your car. So let me just try and pry this plastic out. Let's see how tough it is. I've never pried this out before, so I don't know how tough it is to pry out. And let's see. So definitely tough. All right, so after fiddling around, finding this is probably the best spot to pry open the light. So you can see now that it's half out, so I can pull it out. And you can see that we have the light. So I'm just going to bring it closer. So you can see here, this is the original light. And you can see that we have a plug here, okay? So the thing that you need to do is take this plug out, replace it, and you're done. It's as simple as that. So let me put this back. All right, so let me go in and pull this out. All right, so you can see here, once it's pulled out, there's actually a little leverage on the nut on this plug. So you have to press that in. Once you press it in, you can pull it out. So there we have it. It's pulled out. And now it's time to put this in. So you need to find that there's two latches here that you can use. So you definitely need to find the one that is right for your car. Okay, so this seems to be the right one. So I'll try and put it in. Let me just double check. Okay, so there we have it, plugged in. All right, so now I'm going to put this back in. It's as simple as that. Right, so now I do have it plugged in, and now I have the light. So I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'm now going to show you what my light will look like. So there we have it. This is my door light. What do you think about this? Definitely looks great. Let me just close it. So this is a custom-made light. So that you can see LSFT, and anybody who's interested can definitely, I can make it Lexus if you're interested in actually doing this. But you can see the details that they've actually put in. So I've drawn the car, the lights, and you can see definitely things are looking great. So what I'm going to do now is turn off the light, and so you can get a sense of what it looks like when it's pitch dark. All right, so it's pitch dark right now. My door is open. All right, so that's what it looks like at night. What do you think about it? Do you think this looks nice and cool? I think so. I think it's better than the Lexus logo, especially for myself. This really tells me that this is my car. All right, so I purchased this at addcarlights.com. Okay, so this site looks like it's a very not really professionally made site, but it is a site that actually it's made in China, and it does have car door lights and other like vendor stuff that you can purchase. So car lights, so you can see here they do make like Volkswagen, Volvo, Toyotas, and all the other brands. So you can see, let me go and find Lexus. So they offer Lexus here. So first thing is they have two pieces, right? Because even in NX, there's only the front two doors offer lighting. So NX has the small plug, and then there's three styles that they offer out of the box. So they have A, which is this type. They have B, which is the F Sport, and they have C, which is the Lexus with these dots. All right, and you can see the price is $47 US dollars. Okay, and you can see from these pictures what they offer, and you have this big plug and the small plug. So when you look at how I installed it, it was the small plug. And then you can see here it can tilt, like you can move it from left to right. So you can actually push and actually make it wider. And when you look at the installation, you can see that they use the plastic thing that I tried. That won't work. And then you can see you unplug it and then you plug it back in, put it back in, you're done. Very simple. All right, so this is, if you don't want to customize it, this is the price, $47 US. All right, here you have custom door lights. So you can see here, $46 to $70 US. All right, so there's three options here. One is custom non-fading quartz film, 2-piece plug-and-play door lights. So this is the one that I purchased. There is the normal film one with 2-piece plug-and-play door lights. So when you select this one, you can see it's $60 US. If you do the non-fading quartz, it's $70 US. All right, so when you look at the pricing here, you would think, okay, why would I want to get this? Well, when you look at the pricing for the standard OEM Lexus one, you're looking at $190 Canadian. That's where you get it from Canada. And if you buy like it off eBay, it's $115 roughly US dollars on eBay. If you compare the price, even at $70, that's almost half the price, and you can get a custom one. So you can see here they actually offer different custom ones you like, and I made my own custom one as well. So what's the difference between this custom non-fading quartz film and the normal one? So let me go and select the normal one. So you can see here it says the custom image of any colors are available. All right, so you've noticed that my side panel light actually did not have orange, didn't have my cadmium orange color. And that's the reason why I had red, because it's the non-fading quartz film. If I actually picked the normal film, I would have actually had the cadmium orange side puddle light as well. But I wanted it to be non-fading, so that's why I decided to use the other one, the more expensive one. So as you can see here, what they say is you need at least 800 pixels image, and also you have to say, like, I would actually suggest you sending your image to them so that they can tell you it will work or it will not work. So if you're looking at a color that you really want, like if you want your nori green pearl, then probably you want to use the normal film. I don't know how sharp the normal film is, but definitely it is not as sharp as the quartz one. So going back to the non-fading quartz one. So it says here, available logo image colors for customizing non-fading quartz films. It has to be one of the following colors. So you can have white and black colors, or you can have blue and white colors, or blue and black, red and white, red and black, pink and white, pink and black, purple and white, purple and black, yellow and white, yellow and black, or green and white, or green and black. So you notice that I actually picked the red and white. Okay, because the black was actually something that you will not see. All right, so that's the color I picked rather than having the orange, because I sent them the orange logo and they said it will not work for the non-fading. It will only work for the normal films. All right, so $70 US. What do you think about the pricing of this? So one thing that you do is if you do decide to buy this, $70, you can go back to this homepage and it actually says new user 15. So you can actually get 15% off. So it will not be $70. It will be $7 minus the 15%. So right now I'm in Photoshop. This is how I've actually sent them the image. So you can notice another thing that is different. Here we have a radiant shade. They were not able to do the radiant shade. They actually had it as solid color all the way down. Okay, so it's not perfect, whatever I sent them, but it did get a sense of everything. Even the grill where I had the white and black, it seemed like it didn't do the details. All right, so if you guys are interested, definitely I know that you would not want the LSFT. So what I've also have in my toolbox is taking out the LSFT and actually adding the word Lexus. So this will actually work more generically for most of the people. And if you didn't want to have the color of red, I actually have other offerings as well. So I can actually make it blue. I can make it green. I can make it yellow. And if you actually wanted to not use the quartz, if you wanted to use the real color of your car, definitely this will work as well. I'm not sure if they will actually be able to get a better image or using the normal film, but maybe it will be possible. All right, so this is what it could be done, but this one definitely would be the normal film. If you wanted a different color of your car, probably I can also add that in as well. All right, one thing that you've noticed is there's an F Sport badge. So even if I go back to my original red color, I originally had an F Sport badge, but it seemed like they were not able to do it, and that was removed. So that was a solid red color. This is definitely not just for NX. You can see here we have the RX as well. If you're interested, I can also make other vehicles. If you're interested in getting this template for your own custom side pedal lights, you can send me an email at youtube@lsft.com and provide me what color you want. If you appreciate my work, you can definitely go into the comments below and give me a super thanks. I hope that you found that this video was informative, and until next video, drive safely. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment, like, share this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get notified when new videos are posted. And if you'd like to support this channel, you can provide me a super thanks. And until next time, cheers.